Hey friends, if you wish to disable all remove login password for users in Windows, then please watch this video. Now here's what you have to understand. There are two ways to log into your Microsoft account. To your Windows computer. One is using your Microsoft account. The second one is using a local account. Now, if you're using a Microsoft account, that will definitely have a password. But if you're using a local account, then here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select your info, I think, and then select sign in with a local account instead. Click on next. It will ask to enter the pin, which I will. Now it will ask you to create a new password. Do not create the new password. Simply click on next and click on sign out and finish. So when your system logs in, right, it will ask for the password, but you don't need to enter the password. Simply hit enter. Simply hit the enter key. There is no password. The only thing that you need to do is hit the enter key and you will log into the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.